In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause notifications in Slack, whether you're in the middle of an important project, taking a brief break from work, or just trying to minimize distractions. Knowing how to manage your notifications can make a huge difference in your productivity. Let's walk through the process together, step by step, so you can have a more focused and peaceful time while using Slack. First, you'll want to open your Slack application or web client and navigate to the channel of your choice. This is essential because Slack organizes conversations into channels, and you'll often find yourself multitasking in different channels at once. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the interface. Here you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your personal gateway to many customization options in Slack. Upon clicking your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. What you want to look for next is the pause notifications option. This feature is particularly helpful when you want to ensure that you won't be interrupted. Take a moment to click on pause notifications. You'll then be presented with different time duration options, allowing you to control how long you'd like to pause notifications for. This could range from 30 minutes to an entire day depending on your needs. Now once you've chosen your preferred duration, simply confirm it and your notifications will be paused. It's a straightforward action, but the peaceful result is worth it. Remember that this setting is temporary, and after the set time, notifications will resume automatically. So, if you ever need to extend the pause, you can return to this menu and adjust accordingly. After you've paused your notifications, let's navigate back to your home page. It's a good habit to get back to the main screen once you've made changes, as it keeps you oriented and ready for your next task. From the home page, you might want to further refine your notification settings according to your needs. To do this, click on Slack How-Tos. This section provides insights and tips on how to maximize your Slack experience. Here, select the channel you're interested in, then you'll want to move on to Preferences. This is where you can dive deeper into your notification settings, among other configurations. To further enhance your Slack efficiency, look for the Enable Desktop Notifications option. Deciding to have visual or sound alerts on your desktop can help you remain aware of messages without always having to check Slack. Lastly, don't forget to save any changes you've made. It might seem trivial, but hitting that save button ensures everything is set as you like it. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to pause notifications on Slack and adjust your settings to fit your workflow. I hope this guide was helpful in making your Slack experience more productive and less distracting. Thanks for tuning in and see you next time.